In a world full of sad news and negative activism, humanity is challenged with a lot of pessimism today. Our societies have become disengaged and lonely. We have become busy with our uninteresting lives. Our past generations have shared stories through cave art in the form of books and other literature. We have lost the art of storytelling. It's almost like an emergency. This is where we step in. The desire to create is one of the deepest yearnings of the human soul. We are introducing the Storytellers, a world where you can compassionately interact and share, a world where untold and authentic stories are easily accessible and well archived. We believe that each one of us is a storyteller. Please, come and share your fascinating and engaging stories. You can be part of it in a variety of ways. We would like you to experience interactive street installations across the city. We are also working to provide a digital platform for you to discover your creativity in a number of ways. Our promise is to engage our future generations by converting today's stories into happy memories for you to live and relive, just like our forefathers have done for us. Come, be part of this movement. Experience stories with us.